Hi guys. Let's start with Moneyline. The plus. Moneyline is easier for create and manage a budget. The no mobile application, so no way to manage your account if you are away from your computer. Anyway, Moneyline is a very good choice and is easy to use. Moneyline offers you the majority of useful features, but with good value for money. You can add accounts, create your budget and manage transactions. Moneyline is one of the smartest choices in personal finance software. By setting up your account, you have the choice to synchronize your bank, credit card and investment accounts. That means all your transactions are transferred into your book and updated regularly, as well as your expenses and your income. You can also manually add your transactions by filling in your information and choosing the category. You can plan your future transactions by adjusting the date. The financing software will act the right moment. You can set reminders without affecting your balances, also in the case of paychecks in each period. You can set the dollar limit for each category and even display an alert if the limits are exceeded. The personal finance software will calculate the monthly total. You can see your transactions, symbols and prices, reports running. You can see your expenses and your budget by period and statistics. You can export it to PDF or CSV or send it by email. Summary. Moneyline seems like a good, easy-to-use home financing program, allowing you to manually manage transactions. If all the management of your budget and personal finances happens on your desktop, Moneyline is a good choice. That's all for today. See you in another video.